In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your OneDrive to your computer. If you're looking to make sure that all your important files, photos, and screenshots are easily accessible between your OneDrive and your computer, you've come to the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything set up perfectly for seamless access. Let's dive right in. First things first, take a look at the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. You should notice the OneDrive icon sitting there. Go ahead and click on it. This is your entry point to accessing all the settings we need. Once you click on the OneDrive icon, shift your attention slightly to the right, and you should see a gear icon. This represents the settings. Give that a click as well. Now that you've opened the settings, you'll see a section known as Settings. This is where you can configure various options for OneDrive. So just click on the word Settings to enter the main configuration panel. Inside the Settings panel, you'll find a tab or section labeled Sync and Backup. It's crucial to head over here because this area will guide us through managing which files and folders you want to sync between your computer and OneDrive. Click on Sync and Backup to proceed. Within the Sync and Backup settings, you'll spot an option labeled Manage Backup. By clicking on it, you'll be presented with a crucial aspect of what we're doing today, selecting which folders from your computer you want to sync with OneDrive. Take a moment to look at the available choices, which may include documents, pictures, or even your desktop. This is where you gain control over what is synced. Simply enable the folders you wish to back up. You can click in the checkboxes next to each folder to select or deselect them. Once you're satisfied with your choices, it's important to ensure these settings are saved, right? There should be a Save Changes button available, and clicking on this will lock in all of your decisions, making sure that OneDrive now syncs these selections properly. As an additional bonus for those of you who love backing up memories, you can also opt to sync your saved photos. This ensures that all your precious moments captured on your devices are securely backed up to OneDrive, making them accessible from anywhere you have a connection. And one more thing to remember, screenshots. If you habitually take screenshots on your computer and prefer having those synced as well, you can